Wait till you guys see what I have for you today. It's amazing. What's up everybody? I'm Andre and this is Edible Fitness, the fitness you can eat. Okay, so you know there's a trend going around right now with the whole hot chocolate bombs. No, I'm gonna take it up a notch. Today, we are making chocolate breakfast bombs. That's right. Let's get started. So I do have to say that we're not making breakfast, like don't think like eggs and stuff inside. No, we're not doing that. We're doing oatmeal. So we're taking oatmeal up a notch as well. It's gonna be amazing. We're using dark chocolate. In fact, this is the one that I'm using, Baker's Secret. This is a dark chocolate, a semi-sweet chocolate that I'm using, sorry. For this one, I have used dark chocolate. I love it. I use about 70%. I don't know about you guys. I do love that taste. So what I'm gonna do is I've got a very low amount of water beginning to boil here. And then we're doing a double boiler. So I've got a bain-marie. I've got the bowl. So I'm just gonna chop these up a little bit, put it into the bowl, let them melt, stir it around a bit, and then we'll get on to the next part, which is gonna move pretty quickly. All right. So I've got two stations here. I've got one where I'm gonna let the chocolate drip out of on this side. And then here, this is where I'm gonna put the silicone mold. I'm gonna place it upside down and then put it in the fridge and let it cool for about an hour or 2 hours. So what you wanna do is take your beautiful chocolate and I've got a spoon here. So I'm not doing too many, because I may or may not have eaten a couple of these already. Don't judge me. And then you're just gonna pour some of the chocolate into whatever mold you want. And the reason I'm using this one here is because I wanna be able to use the chocolate, again, maybe get in another 2 molds. So I'm gonna take my spoon and then just push the chocolate up around the sides. You're not looking for perfection, so don't worry about that. Just want to make sure everything is covered right up to the very top. Okay. All right, I can get in another 2, I think, so let's do that. Okay, so I'm going to take these and just let them drip a little bit. There we go. Is there anything sexier than that? I don't think so. I'll let that hang out just for a couple of seconds. Then, like I said, I'm gonna put it on the parchment paper and the cutting board and put that into the fridge. So don't worry, you're not gonna lose all your chocolate by doing this. It's gonna stick. It's gonna be amazing, in fact. Good. Leave it face down in the fridge, minimum an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4, even better. Okay. All right, so while the chocolate bombs are hardening, the chocolate is hardening in the molds, the next thing you want to do is to prepare the filling. So like I said, we're doing an oatmeal bomb. So you want oatmeal. So we're using oats. I've got about 3/4 cup of oats, quick cook oats in here, as well as a teaspoon of cinnamon and a tablespoon of brown sugar. And because I haven't had it in a long time, I thought it'd be kind of cool. I've got some dried mango. So put dried mango in there, just cut it up into smaller pieces. You can add anything, raisins, of course, right? You can also add, I don't know, like dried blueberries, sliced almonds, right? Because there's a ton of things that people do. That's ready to go. And like I said, we're gonna wait a couple of hours, make sure the chocolate is hard and ready to go. I am very excited. I know you are too. Okay, can't wait. Woohoo! All right, so it's 2 days later, I actually forgot. But anyway, not important. So these molds are ready to go. All you have to do is roll it out. And there you go. There is your sphere all ready to be filled. So what I'm gonna do is, I've got a little pan here, as you can see. So I'm gonna put it on the heat. I've already started to melt some other ones from before. And so I'm gonna take the chocolate sphere, put it face down, and then attach the two together. So that's how you seal them. But before I do that, I'm gonna put the bottom half, I'm gonna fill the bottom half with the oats and all of that. So let's get to doing that. Wasn't that incredible? I know. So what you're left with after about 2 minutes, 2-3 minutes is, depending on how much milk you use, I used almond milk, but depending on how much you use, you could have more of a soupy oatmeal. I mean, that's entirely up to you, or this luscious, beautifully thick oatmeal mixture. And it smells incredible with the semi-sweet and the mango and the cinnamon. Oh man, I'm going to burn my tongue probably, but that's okay. It's Christmas. What? Anyway. Yeah. Yeah, oh, that's good. That's good. If you love chocolate, combine it with oatmeal and mango, come on. So good. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. We are on our way to 1,000 subscribers, and then we're gonna get more and more and more because you guys are awesome. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you always know when I upload new videos just like this one. If you click right over here, you will find a video from me to you, a video I think you should watch. But if you click right over here, that is a video that YouTube suggests you should watch among the plethora of videos that we have here on the channel. All right, guys, happy holidays, love your food, love your life, and I'll see you in the next video.